The 2025 Jeep Avenger emerges as a compelling entry in the burgeoning electric SUV segment, blending rugged capability with cutting-edge technology. Building upon Jeep's legendary off-road heritage, the Avenger aims to redefine the expectations of electric SUVs, offering a compelling blend of performance, practicality, and sustainability. The exterior of the 2025 Avenger retains the iconic Jeep design cues, characterized by bold lines, a prominent grille with the signature 7-slot design, and a muscular stance. However, the design has been reimagined with a futuristic edge, incorporating sleek lines, sharp LED lighting, and aerodynamically sculpted surfaces. Available in a range of vibrant colors and with optional premium features like panoramic sunroofs and robust off-road accessories, the Avenger offers a level of personalization to suit individual tastes. Stepping inside, the Avenger welcomes occupants with a modern and tech-centric interior. High-quality materials are thoughtfully integrated throughout, elevating the overall sense of refinement. The focus remains on creating a user-friendly and intuitive environment. The centerpiece is likely to be a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating with smartphones and offering enhanced connectivity features. This may include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, a premium sound system with immersive audio capabilities, and a digital driver's display with advanced graphics. Under the hood, the Avenger is powered by an advanced electric motor, delivering instant torque and a smooth, silent driving experience. The high-capacity battery pack provides an ample driving range, making it suitable for both city commutes and weekend adventures. Fast charging capabilities ensure that recharging is quick and convenient, minimizing downtime. The 2025 Jeep Avenger remains true to its off-road heritage, equipped with a robust four-wheel drive system and advanced off-road technologies. Features like trail assist, hill descent control, and select terrain traction management provide unparalleled off-road capability, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey, no matter how challenging the terrain. Safety remains a paramount concern, and the 2025 Avenger is expected to come equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Features such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, and a comprehensive suite of airbags are likely to be standard or available as optional upgrades. These technologies not only enhance safety but also contribute to a more relaxed and confident driving experience. The 2025 Jeep Avenger represents a significant step forward for Jeep in the electric vehicle market.